Welcome to Onwards and Upwards. Today we're going to be climbing Mount Orford in the Eastern Townships in southern Quebec. The mountain is just up there somewhere. The title of the trail I'm doing is something like that because I don't want to pronounce that. So this should be really beautiful, so let's get going. So here's the entrance to the park, the visitor center. I got these new Keen trail runners. All right, so now it's time to eat lunch. I got my container of spaghetti here. I think it's hot enough that maybe it'll be just like I took it out of the oven. So you may think that this is just a regular spork here, but the thing about this spork is that you pull it out and you got a knife. Decent. Cheers to the view. All right, so we just left the viewpoint. We just had some lunch. So now we're gonna head to the top of the mountain. And as you can see, that mountain right there is Mount Orford. Try and send it up to the top. It feels really good to be doing a nice hike again. Over the next few months, I'll be going up some amazing hikes on this channel. So stay tuned. All right, so we're at a nice little viewpoint, and over there you can really see how flat Quebec is. Alright, so we just exited our trail and now we're going up to Mount Orford, and this is the main trail. Let's get to the top of this mountain. If you were good at free climbing, you could just boulder up there and that'd be fun, but if not, you could get some ropes. So if you look around, you see the surrounding region in Quebec. Alright, so we're not far from the top. It's a hot day and I'm getting really tired, but probably 10 minutes left. I think we just made it to the top of Mount Orford, so I'll show you this panorama view now. You know, if you're going to summit a mountain, you might as well summit a mountain. So I might just look around trying to find this actual highest point, some rock or something. All right, so to get to the highest point on the mountain here, I have to climb this wall. So it looks a bit sketchy, but I haven't climbed up a rock face in far too long, so I think this is a good time to do it. Leave my bag behind and let's send it. There we go. That's the real spot we're looking for. You can really see how flat everything else is except this mountain right here. I mean, you know, there's a mountain over there. There's like one in the far distance, but you look at the far horizon over there. It does not look at all like those mountains are any bigger than this one. You know, if you're into mountain climbing, you might as well live in the mountains. But at the same time, Montreal is a great city, amazing food, culture, and people. To have this mountain an hour and a half away, you can't complain too much. The handholds are absolutely vital. All right, so way down there you can see this tourist center, and that's where I'm getting picked up. So I don't know the best route down here, but I see there's like a makeshift trail just going straight down. Just gonna head right down and call it a day. There's a beautiful field here. Alright, so I'm just getting to the tourist center here, so I'm going to wrap up the video, but first, there's a good view of the mountain there. So thanks a lot for joining us for the first day hike we're doing here on Onwards and Upwards. So stay tuned for more hikes coming up, and I'll see you here for the next one.